자, 앉으세요. 비슷한 사람들 하고 가서.
What river are we on anyway?
The guy just started yelling at him.
Umshan River.
Umshan? We are rafting on the Umshan River. Say hi, people. I don't really know. Hey.
1, 2.
1, 2.
1, 2.
1, 2.
1, 2. 1, 2. Stop.
Slow water rafting in Korea. Well, it's supposed to be white water, but it's not really. Would you call this white water, Charlie?
I'd say wider.
Yeah, I think this is
It's beginner's white water rafting.
wide, slow water rafting. It's better than not. It is fun.
1, 2.
1, 2. I don't have a paddle. 1, 2. 1, 2. 'That was a good one. Better.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
Very fun.
Oh,
Very good. We are surrounded by the Jirisan Mountain. Hello, family and friends and strangers I don't know that are going to be watching this video because it's randomly on YouTube. We are in Fukuoka, Japan.
We're at the Shofukuji Temple. It's the oldest Zen temple in Japan.
We are at the Shishun Temple. It's the oldest Zen temple in Japan, as I so scholarly know.
You can't actually go inside the temple, but you can look through the window. The free
Yes, we're gonna go look through the window.
inside.
I thought this rain gutter thingy was especially interesting, as well as this wooden obelisk thing. Unfortunately, you can't smell what I'm smelling right now, but it smells like varnishes and very old wood. It's really impressive. Oh, you can even see it good. This wouldn't show up at all on my camera. Wow, you can adjust your zoom on your video? That's awesome.
It's mine.
Yeah. Just goes to show that my camera sucks compared to this one.
I love how the trees have all the greenery coming out.
Yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it? Want to go around the front of the gate?
Yeah. This is the walkway.
It's nice. They painted it. Fukuoka is only about a 30-minute flight south of Busan from Gimhae Airport, so it was a pretty easy weekend trip for us. I don't know what else. I don't really know much about Fukuoka. We had some Japanese authentic food. Tried sea urchin for the first time.
Don't do it.
It's awful. I really hate it.
But he still made me try it.
Yeah. I believe the words I used were it's the most unique meat, I guess, I'd ever tried thus far. In my 20, soon to be 9 years. Well, here's the front gate building. I don't know, it's pretty damn amazing.
These are the guards.
Yeah, these are the formidable sentries to this wing of the temple. They're kind of like the British. What are they? Not bobbies. Like, you know, like Royal Guard.
Yeah.
They don't talk. What was that? I don't know, it was kind of big, wasn't it?
Yeah. Another reason why we're not filming you.
Wow, look at all those tiles. Roof tiles. That's cool. Maybe nobody else is fascinated by this stuff. Like, whenever I go to these temples, I always find myself looking at all the beams and all the handmade joints and stuff, and I'm like, hey Charlie, look at these joints, or whoever I'm with, and they're like, oh, you're a douchebag. Okay.
It's not just this.
I guess. Very docile kitty cats. I'm trying to make all these like 5 minutes. All these ones I post. And no longer than that, I get bored. I think people might get bored.
So we're staying here for another night, and this afternoon, no idea what we're going to do. Yesterday we went to the castle ruins, which definitely ruins. We found some rocks.
Yes, they are.
It was a beautiful view.
Rocks with a beautiful view.
Oh. Then we went.
You shut up.
We went to. We got some lunch, which was not the best, sashimi and stuff, and Canal City for a bit, which is a ginormous shopping complex.
Yeah, Canal City was kind of cool. Really weird design mall.
Yeah, I like how it had outside bits.
Charlie got eaten alive by like 31 bites. We went to this
31, yeah.
cemetery here.
Mass grave yard.
Yeah.
That was this morning.
First
10
time
minutes?
I've been to that.
10 minutes and 31 bites.
Yeah.
No one else had that many on your feet.
No, just
one
you.
or two.
It's your scent, I think. No, I can't really think of anything else interesting to say, can you?
Really, we're here with my brother and his girlfriend Bronwyn.
Yes.
Pretty cool.
It was cool. Very
Haven't
nice.
seen them for over a year, and next time we'll be back in New Zealand when we're with them. That's pretty much it.
There was something I was going to say, but I forget. Oh, we were just at this temple over there. It had just this gigantic Buddhist statue. Beautiful.
We
made
got
out
some
of wood.
photos.
Yeah. I might post photos in with the videos too. I don't know. I don't want to put that much work into it, but we'll see. Anyway. Bye, Ma, Dad, brothers, and no sisters. You guys take care.
See you later. Bye.
All right, until next time.